Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create an inquiry form within Music Teacher Pros and embed it onto an existing website outside of Music Teacher Pros like WordPress or Wix. So from the dashboard, you want to go to Site. So the first thing we'll do is create the form. And then under the Sites tab, we want to hover our mouse over Forms and go to Builder. And then let's go ahead and click on the blue button here that says Add Form. And then click on Create. Alright, so by default, you will have all of these fields created. So we'll just go ahead and set this as a required field. So let's select first name as required and last name as required. And then I'm also going to go ahead and rename our form to website inquiry form, just like this. So now that you have all of these basic details or fields added, if you want to add a custom question like what type of instrument and so on, let's go ahead and create one. So for example, I'm going to create a field that asks for the instrument that they are inquiring for. So on the left side, you want to go to custom fields and then click on add. And from here, let's say I'm going to have a drop down. So let's select drop down single and then click next. Let's say what type of lessons are you looking for? And then under group, let's add that under additional info. And then let's go ahead and add the choices here. So firstly, let's say guitar. So you have singing lessons and then piano and violin and so on. So here, just go ahead and add the type of lessons that your music school is offering and then click save. So once that field is saved, let's go ahead and look for that under the additional info field. So scroll down, it should be added right here at the bottom. So let's go ahead and add that here. And let's add that as a required field and then click save. So you can add as many fields here as you want. So let's say you want to add for the age of the student. Let's go ahead and click on add field once more. And now what I'm going to select is single line. So maybe let's go ahead and add or ask for the student name. So what's the name of the student or child, something like that. And again, let's add this under the additional info group and then click save. So again, we'll find that in here. So show more. So show more. So here, it'll be added here at the end. Drag and drop that here. And then again, let's set that as a required field and then hit save. So there are some checkboxes in here that you may want to add. So these are just the terms and conditions checkboxes that you may choose to use, or you can also remove it if you don't want to use it. So if you don't want to use this one, just go ahead and click on the X icon there. And then we also have a field here for CAPTCHA if you want to add that. So that's under quick add, and then scroll down. So here under customize, you want to select this and then drag it right here. So you can also update the button text. So submit. If you select these fields, you can highlight this and then add the link to your privacy policy page if you have one. So just click on the three dots and select this hyperlink icon and then add your URL here. So same for terms of service, just highlight and then click on the three dots and then click on the chain link icon and then paste your terms of service page right here. So again, if you don't want to use this field, then you can just simply click on the X icon to remove it and then click save. So now that you have all of these fields added, let's go ahead and try to embed it now on a website. So what you want to do is grab the code to this form. So what you want to do is click on integrate, which is on the top right side. And then you want to click on copy embed code, just like that. So say for example, you're now on your website builder. So since I don't have access to a WordPress or a Wix website, I'm just gonna go ahead and show how it's added on the website builder of Music Teacher Pros. So what you want to do on your website builder is click or add an element that's called HTML element. So I'm gonna do that here. So that will be under, so here it's under code. So you will see that it's for custom HTML codes or JavaScript codes. So once you have that added on your website, let's go ahead and open the code editor and paste the embed code that we just copied. So it'll look like this, and then click save. So let's go ahead and save that here now. Right, let's just go ahead and scroll down. So now you have your form added or embedded onto your website. If you guys have any questions, please let me know in the group. I'll see you there.